Good afternoon, everyone. Aaron, Prepping Ohio here. I got a load of lumber. This is leftover from a porch build I did, and talked to the homeowners about taking a scrap, and they said, yeah, no problem, we'll let you know. Went to the store, come back, and the guy was here with his trailer unloading it by himself. That was pretty cool. There's some 5/4, some 2x6s, well, a lot of 2x6s, I guess. Then there's a big 2x12 here also. That's a 2x12 by 12 foot long, and another little chunk of 2x12 there. It's not really a whole lot, but it's exactly what I need, or almost exactly, I think. I have to modify my design a little bit. I need to build a stand here, right where the pool was, to get my grill up off the ground. I hate how the wheels are just sitting in the mud. Since I started the addition, I no longer have a porch, so I gotta find something to get this guy up out of the mud. I know you probably can't tell underneath there, I started laying stone down. Of course, the lumber's piled right on it, but got some big stones underneath there. Pretty much everywhere the lumber's laying is where the stones are. I did that in the afternoon last night. So, I'm going to go through this. I kind of want to build like a 4 foot by 4 foot platform, and I'm going to use concrete blocks to set it on, because I don't want it to be permanent. If I don't have enough material to build it correctly and to make it look good, I don't really want it to be permanent. So, I mean, I could build it like half the way I wanted to, but then that's just another half-finished project. And the lumber shrinks up a lot. When I put the decking down, the 5/4, this is 5/4 here, let me show you in case you don't know what 5/4 is. This is 5/4. It's supposed to be 1 1/4 thick, but of course, you know, after they plane them and pressure treat them, and then they dry out, they shrink down anyway. But this is what standard wood decking is. Yeah, I don't think I have enough of that to build what I wanted to build. And I don't have any concrete anyway, so I'm not going to set it down in on posts. So yeah, I could build it with the 5/4, and then there'd be a part that's not done. And then, you know, I could pick up another board from the lumber store to finish it, but it's not going to fit exactly right just because of the drying and the shrinking. So, right in here somewhere is where it's going to go. Plus, if it's mobile, I can move it and adjust it to how the rocks come out. If it's permanent, I'll have to fit the rocks to it. I think I'd rather just be able to move the platform a little bit to the rocks, because shaping rocks kind of sucks, and I'm really trying to avoid shaping any rocks here. So that's what I'm going to start on tonight and see if I can get this thing completed. I don't know if I actually have enough time left in the day, but I can work through the night a little bit once I figure out the plan, if I can even get started tonight. So, okay, let's see what Old Ben's pretty hot here. He was panting until I walked over to him, then he started wagging his tail. He's been kind of chewing on his butt back there. No, it's alright. Look at him, he thinks I'm yelling at him or something. It's alright, buddy. You're a good boy. What do you think we ought to do with that grill stand? Think we ought to do something with it? You gonna think on it too? Yeah, I'm a little torn on what to do with it myself. Hey, Ben. Ben, do something amazing. The whole world's watching you do something cool. There it is, folks. You saw it here first. Well, you did see it. So much for that. Ah, there it is. Yeah, there he goes, wagging the tail. Oh, Ben. You are, what is it, about 13 years old? There's some panting. Yeah, he's hot. Gotta get his water. Well, make sure he's got water. I know he has some, but I need to check it anyway. And give him some fresh, cool water. The cool water made the tail bounce again. Okay, I looked at it and he stops. Okay, Ben, we'll leave it alone. Don't really know if you can see this. Look how much this board is cupped. That means it's curved. This is a 2x12. There is one heck of a cup in it. I don't know if I can show. Maybe look down. Like, it's the width of my finger. You know, that's, I don't know what to do with that. I could probably draw it back down with some screws. If this is the upside, I put the screws down through this way, like if it lays like this, put, I don't know, 4 screws or 5 screws, or maybe even 6 on this one. Was already a little check in it right here. That's a split. Like another one's forming right here. I don't know if I'll be able to save this, but you know, just for a thing to get my grill up off the ground, maybe that'll be good enough. So I've kind of done some thinking, and I've decided that I need to do more thinking. I don't have enough material to do it the way I was wanting to. I just wanted like a 4 foot by 4 foot platform to put it up on, and I didn't want to mismatch the lumber because that's just dumb. And I even thought about trying to stagger like a 2x4, 2x6, and 2x12, make a pattern or something, you know, and nah, that's kind of dumb, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to think about this a little bit more. I kind of thought about having a little, like, 4 foot or a 3 foot by 4 foot box, and then a platform in the back just big enough for the grill to kind of park there, and then like a 3 foot by 4 foot long pattern, or a platform in front of it, all bolted together, of course, or well screwed together. I don't know, I think I want to think about that a little bit more. So for now, I did get it up out of the mud at least. The wheels are sitting on a couple pieces of lumber here. Not really sure what I ought to do. I even thought about, you know, this other thing, my other little project, thought about using this lumber in that somehow. It's all treated, so I don't really want to use it for interior. Man, that looks like crap back there, all them weeds. Yeah, it's treated, so I don't really want to use it for interior stuff on the little barn thing. And I'm very undecided on that thing yet, too. So, I don't know, I've got a lot of ideas, I guess, but this is kind of a priority. I really need to get something done with it. And I kind of hate it sitting right here anyway, my walkway. You know, where you pull up and park, and this is a walkway coming in. Kind of hate it sitting right here. So, I'm going to think on this a little bit, and maybe tomorrow I'll make a decision, or the next day, or maybe this weekend I'll be able to come up with some sort of an idea to fix it up. I don't know, maybe not. I really hope it's not sitting on those boards all friggin' winter. Kind of like all my other projects that are half done. But, so, kind of like a little announcement, I went to my own channel today and cleaned it up a little bit. I got a couple playlists built, so feel free to check those out. I'm going to continue working on that. I may end up doing some more tonight on it. I know someone's going to say it. I did put a donate button on my channel. I'm not begging. I'm not going to do stupid things so that people feel sorry for me and send me money. No, that's not what it's there for. And any money that is generated by that donate button will go right back into the channel. So it's, you know, I'm not trying to scam anyone, not being an e-beggar or anything like that, but if someone wants to give me money, I'm going to take it. So, this made it a little easier for people to do that now. So, that's where I'm at with my channel. That's where I'm at with the grill. Man, I really just want to cook on it right now, too. Maybe I'll fry a burger on it later. I don't know. I'll probably just end up drafting out plans. I do draft, by the way, for blueprints, but I may end up doing something like that to try to figure out how to turn that into something useful. Or who knows, I may have another idea of something to go somewhere else. I don't know. But the big thing is to get this guy up out of the mud, off the ground, onto something stable, relatively permanent, so I can use it, and I don't have to tread mud to get through it. If it goes over there too far, it'll be muddy, of course. I love cooking on the grill, and I love my little grill. So, yeah, folks. I think I'm going to go drink a beer, start on dinner. Maybe I'll even use this. Get a shower, and sit down and try to figure some more things out. I hope everybody enjoys what I'm putting up. I know it's one day it's one thing, and the other day it's the other thing, and then there's some more stuff over there, and then I know it's pretty scattered out, but I don't know, I suppose if I did continuous prepping things, it would get a little boring. And I would get bored too. So, you know. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this disaster video. And if you're not subscribed, you know, there's a button up there somewhere. Okay, everybody. Thanks for watching. Have a good